Alright, so we can't get this puppy started, so we're going to test the mechanics, or the mechanical part of this freaking motor. So here's how you do it. So what I've done so far is I took the air cleaner off, blah 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 blah. Took out the fuel pump relay, got a piece of wire, exactly like this. Jump start number 3. So you jump start the third one. Right, the third one. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. The 2, 3. So both of them in a row. After that, you run over here for just a second. I'm going to show you this. You push down on this throttle plate just slightly, just very, very slightly, and it'll allow fuel in the lower chambers of the fuel distributor. Blah 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 blah. All right, let's test it out. Fuel pump's running. Fuel in the fuel distributor, hear it? Now it should fire up. Yep, so, yeah.